English-Catalan. I would like, equals.
Voldria.
Polite orders for travel. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hi, this show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to learn and laugh? Today we'll nail the English-Catalan power phrase, I would like, equals.
Voldria.
So you can order smoothly, politely, and with charm. Coffee lines will fear you, in a good way. Your goal today. In just minutes, you'll order like a local without sounding blunt. Let's set the target. Say,
Voldria.
Naturally to mean, I would like. Pair it with,
Si us plau.
for, please, and add,
Gràcies.
for, thank you. Know the difference.
Vull.
Equals, I want, more direct. Alternative.
Podria tenir.
Equals, could I have. Negative.
No voldria.
Equals, I would not like. Cafe mini dialogue. Jump into a Barcelona cafe scene, follow along and repeat. Waiter. Bon dia. You.
Voldria un cafè, si us plau.
Waiter.
Molt bé.
You. Spotting sunlight.
Voldria seure a la finestra.
Later, you add.
Voldria un got d'aigua.
You.
Gràcies.
Waiter.
De res.
Cameo. A royal penguin waddles in and declares.
Voldria gelat, majestuosament.
The cafe applauds. Soft power versus direct. Politeness wins more pastries, true story. Here's how.
Voldria.
Equals, I would like, polite, ideal for service.
Vull.
Equals, I want, stronger, more direct. Negative form.
No voldria.
Gentle refusal. Question form.
Voldria.
Polite question. Example.
Voldria una taula per a dos.
Equals, I would like a table for two. Alternative.
Podria tenir.
Equals, could I have, very polite. Pronunciation groove. Feel the rhythm, smooth and calm. Clap along. 4 count. 1,
Voldria.
2, 3. Repeat. Whisper then say it.
Voldria.
Now add an item.
Voldria un te.
Breathe, smile, gesture. Hand to chest, point to the item.
Voldria.
Keep it mellow, the V is smooth and friendly. Drill time. Echo me, your houseplants will be impressed. Repeat after each line.
Voldria un te verd, si us plau. Voldria una barra de pa, si us plau. No voldria sucre, gràcies. Podria tenir el compte, si us plau. Voldria una taula per a dos. Voldria un suc de taronja, si us plau.
Culture tip. Sound local and kind in Catalonia. Tiny tweaks, big smiles. At cafes and bars in Catalonia.
Voldria.
Plus.
Si us plau.
Comes across as clear and courteous, especially when paired with a smile and.
Gràcies.
Picture the smell of fresh coffee as you touch the menu edge. Your ritual. Breathe, smile, say.
Voldria.
If you slip and say.
Vull.
No panic, soften it next time with.
Voldria.
Quick quiz. Pop quiz time, answer aloud. I've got your back. How do you say, I would like, in Catalan? Answer.
Voldria.
Complete. Blank, un te. Answer.
Voldria.
True or false?
Voldria.
Means, I want. False, I want, is.
Vull.
Say the polite negative. I would not like, in Catalan. Answer.
No voldria.
Translate. Could I have the bill, please? Answer.
Podria tenir el compte, si us plau.
30-second challenge. Ready to level up fast? Let's go. In 30 seconds, order 3 things you love using.
Voldria.
A drink, a snack, and a seat by the window. For bonus points, add.
Si us plau.
And finish with.
Gràcies.
If a royal penguin joins, let it go first, it's royalty. Thanks and next steps. Nice work, your Catalan sounds smooth already. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Voldria.
In real menus and mirror role plays, and don't forget to visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and fun challenges. Gracie's I fins aviat.